Hey everyone, so if you've been looking how to pay the US visa fee online, follow my steps in this video carefully to ensure the smooth process. So of course guys, just like me, as you can see, you need to visit the official US visa information websites. Of course, you need to create an account, select your country and language, then click on new user to register. Fill in your details including your email address and contact information. After that, you need to fill out your DS-160 form. Before proceeding with payment, ensure you've completed the DS-160 application form and have the confirmation page. After that, you can log in, select Schedule Appointment option. Follow the steps until you reach the payment section. And now onto the payment method. So options may include online banking, debit and credit card, or cash deposit at a designated bank. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions. After successful payment, you'll receive a receipt number. This number is crucial when booking your visa interview appointments. After that, of course, you can return to the appointment portal, enter the receipt number, and proceed to book your interview date. Always double check the official website for country-specific instructions and accepted payment methods. Guys, enjoy the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell to not miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.